celebrate World Heart Day for awareness of heart disease. For general public, we should have a healthy lifestyle, 45 minutes daily walking, reduce stress, yoga, meditation, avoid cholesterol-rich items, avoid meat, avoid smoking, know your numbers and control your disease. So if you are a blood pressure patient, your BP should be less than 130/80. If you are diabetic, get your HbA1c every 3 months and HbA1c should be less than 7%. If you get a chest pain which is related to left arm associated with sweating, uneasiness, reach to the hospital as early as possible. Get the ECG at earliest. If there is a heart attack, the first 1 hour is very crucial. At that time, hospital people give blood thinner medicine like aspirin, clopidogrel, ticagrelor, or thrombolytic injections, and immediately primary PCR, that is urgent angiography, and opening the artery saves many lives. So reach to the hospital as early as possible. As we know, if the patient collapses, that is a special condition called as cardiac arrest, use the CPR so that the patient reaches without brain damage to the hospital.
యాక్టివిటీస్ చేసుకోవాలని మన హాస్పిటల్స్ డాక్టర్స్ సంతోష్ అనిల్ సార్ అండ్ లావణ్య ముగ్గురు కూడా మనకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. దీనిలో భాగంగా ప్రతి ఒక్కసారి కూడా ఎవ్రీ టైం మనం వింటుంటాం, కుప్పకూలిపోయారు వెంటనే పేషెంట్ ఇంట్లో, వెంటనే ఇక్కడ మేము చాలా మందిని హాస్పిటల్లో చూస్తున్నాము, ఫ్రెండ్స్ కుప్పకూలిపోయారు ఇంట్లో నిల్చొని హార్ట్ ఆగిపోయింది, హార్ట్ అటాక్ వచ్చిందని చాలా మంది చెప్తుంటారు. అట్లాంటప్పుడు ఎలాంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఎలాంటివి చేయాలనేది మన ఇంటెన్సివ్ డాక్టర్ ఆసిఫ్ ఇక్బాల్ గారు వివరిస్తూ ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఒక పేషెంట్ ఆలోచనకు పడిపోయినప్పుడు ఎలాంటి చర్య తీసుకోవాలి, ఎలా మనం ట్రీట్ చేయాలన్న విషయం.
They should do regular checkup every 3 to 6 months. Their sugar level should be brought under control. We can do HbA1c levels. So that tells us 3 months sugar level, that should be below 7%. Blood pressure patient should take their medication regularly and their target BP. We have to, as we know phone number, we have to know all these numbers. Your HbA1c should be less than 7%, BP should be less than 130/80. Cholesterol we should get every 6 months done, and the bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol should be less than 100. Avoid smoking, avoid alcohol in excess, and regular checkup with the ECG, echo treadmill. With that we can recognize the heart disease early, and before it causes significant damage, we can prevent the heart attack. If someone gets the chest pain which is related to the left arm, you should consult and get the ECG early. The heart attack patient is a very deadly disease, and timely action is very important. So the window period, the first one, if we reach to the hospital within the golden hour, what we call is first 1 hour, then at hospital we give blood thinner medication, the blood thinner injections like streptokinase or pentaplase, and immediately